I don't do things for the response, or for the controversy. I just live my life. I'm really looking forward to seeing what life brings to me. God just has a way of working things out the way He wants to, and you have no say in that. If you enjoyed the video, please like video and subscribe channel. Making music is like shopping for me. Every song is like a new pair of shoes. When I see myself as an old woman, I just think about being happy. And hopefully, I'll still be fly. The bottom line is that everyone thinks differently. I take risks because I get bored. And I get bored very easily. All my favorite artists and fashion icons and models are from the 90s. Everybody was just so fearless. I want to give people a taste of the Caribbean and show them the fun side of me. I was so rude when I was a little girl. I could never give relationship advice to anybody. My mother would kill me if I posed nude. My mother raised me with certain standards. I never eat salad. I make sure I don't put a lot of junk into my system, but I hate vegetables. I drink a lot of coconut water. It balances out all the other toxic stuff I put into my body. When I cut my hair, the whole sound changed, my style changed. You may never be good enough for everybody, but you'll always be the best to somebody. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, Jossan Quotes.